Symptoms of a bad brake light switch. Hi everyone. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, we're talking about a key part of your car's safety, the brake light switch. This small component is essential, and when it fails, it can cause big problems. Stick around to learn its purpose, common issues, and signs it needs fixing. Purpose of the brake light switch. Brake lights, which is responsible for closing the electrical circuit to activate your brake lights whenever you press down on the brake pedal. Beyond that, it serves multiple critical functions, alerts the ABS anti-lock braking system, deactivates cruise control and braking, engages the shift interlock solenoid to shift out of park, enables push-button start systems to detect brake application, and allow the car to turn on a push-button start system. The location of the brake light switches, usually near the brake pedal assembly. 1. Check engine or ABS light illuminated. One of the earliest symptoms of a defective brake lights, which is an illuminated check engine or ABS warning light. Modern vehicles rely heavily on electronic systems, and an issue with the brake lights which can trigger diagnostic trouble codes. Be sure to scan for these codes using a reliable OBD2 scanner. I'll link my recommended scanner in the description below. 2. Brake lights fail to turn on. If your brake lights don't illuminate when you press the pedal, the switch may be faulty. This issue means that electrical current isn't flowing properly through the circuit to activate the lights. Driving without functioning brake lights is dangerous and may lead to accidents or traffic violations. 3. Brake lights stay on constantly. Conversely, brake lights that remain on even when the pedal is not pressed can also indicate a bad switch. This might occur due to an internal short circuit or because the brake light switch stopper has fallen off. Without the stopper, the switch stays engaged, continuously sending electrical current to the lights. This problem can drain your car battery overnight, so it needs immediate attention. 4. Push-button start failure. Vehicles equipped with push-button start systems rely on the brake lights, which to confirm that the brake pedal is depressed. A faulty switch can fail to send this signal, leaving you unable to start your car. This issue often leads to frustration and can leave you stranded if not addressed promptly. 5. Cruise control malfunction. The cruise control system depends on the brake light switch to disengage when you press the brake pedal. If the switch is faulty, the cruise control may fail to deactivate, compromising your ability to slow down effectively. Alternatively, the system may refuse to activate altogether. 6. Stuck in park position. The shift interlock system prevents shifting out of park without pressing the brake. A faulty brake light switch can block this signal, leaving your car stuck in park. Replacing or repairing the switch usually fixes the issue. I hope this guide helps you diagnose and address issues with your brake light switch effectively. Be sure to check the description below for links to recommended tools and scanners for troubleshooting. If this video added value to your car repair, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts about your problem in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.